clicking. You know this shit? Do's and don'ts for the bar. Do's, be super polite and respectful to the staff and to the people serving you especially. If you're super friendly to us, we're going to be super friendly to you. If you're a bit meh, we're going to be a meh to you. If you want to have a chat and joke about something, great, I love it. That improves my day. Don'ts, big one is if you see I'm busy, don't start clicking. You know this shit? If we come and tell you not to do something or to remember this, you know, even if you've been drinking, try and remember it. We're not trying to be pricks for no reason. You get all sorts of crazy stuff happening here. I've had people sneak in and sleep upstairs on one of the sofas, got completely undressed, fell asleep on the sofa, and then he tried afterwards, when I tried to get him out, he tried to buy my bed. Just, you know, be respectful of the premises, that's the whole thing. Someone's got to go back and clean it up.